But we have to be kind, no? And to love each other. They have so many mouses around. They don't have to fight. Hello, dear people.
Welcome back to the build. So to explain you what's going on, we have been calling an excavator and dig all the trench for the drainage of the house. It's going all around the house. And right now we have been saving a lot of bottles and glass and we are breaking them in the trench. Now we install this kind of a tissue so the tube doesn't touch the glass and the earth.
So here we have the French drainage. Here is the yellow pipe where the water will accumulate all over around the house. The level of the ground is a bit more high here and more low in the back of the house. So all the water will go through this pipe in the back of the house, where we will make a little garden and we will grow some plants, because there will be a lot of water. We cover it with stones. After we put enough stones, we close
We wrap it up.
We wrap it so the earth is not going inside, and there we put stones. We cover it with more stones, like here. And after that we come with a very nice level of little stones, which they are for decoration and to stop the plants growing from the earth.
So yeah, so all
This
around
is the
the
plan.
house it will be clean.
Hello, dear people. We have a balcony here, which is not finished because our budget finished and we have other priorities. We decided to let it for next spring. So in a few months we want to finish the balcony, but we can't wait and we really want to use it.
It's hard not to use it.
Yeah, so we want to we have a lot of wood actually, which will be preserved during the winter, and we want to put a few beans there so we can just go in the window and watch the view.
At least to sit at the window, yeah. To watch the view.
Even if it's not finished
Even if it's
job.
not finished, even if there is no fence, we're gonna be careful, but just to have like a little platform to sit on for the winter. So let's do it.
Yeah, we are at the beginning of November. They are around 10 degrees in the daytime and -2 or 0 in the night.
Yeah, we're going minus now.
When it's sun, we stay in the t-shirt in the house without any heat. It's amazing eco-passive system which
I think almost every time we got sun, even if it was cold outside, we reached 20 to 20 degrees always minimum in the house, and it went until 25, which was a bit too much, but yeah, we always have between 18 and 22 degrees, I would say, whatever the weather, the temperature is outside.
Which is a success.
Which is incredible!
And of course during the night it can go in the morning even around 15 degrees, which is for us it's quite okay for sleeping because we have a very good cover and we sleep very good in this temperature, but it should be the limit.
Yeah.
And not going too down
below that.
No. And usually in December, January is even more cold.
Yeah.
So we have to prepare. The heat is almost the heat system is almost done.
We received the evacuation
Yes.
of the stove, so finally we're gonna install it and we're gonna be able to turn on the fucking on button of the stove and get stable heat in the house.
Good morning. We woke up and everything is frozen. And we didn't actually finish the house. As you can see, here the window frames. We finished them here at the big windows.
In the back.
And in the back, but here in the front, up, they are not covered yet, the windows, they are not protected. Here in the back, the last team came and closed the windows and the door with black aluminum. This is the material. It's very nice material. And yes, the evacuation from the fire. It's going through the wall, directly from the heating central inside, and up. As you see, we still need the hut there for the rain. And I order it and it just have to come these days. Okay, everything is frozen. Such a beautiful day. Look what's happening behind. We have a beautiful team working to finish the windows, to seal everything. It's so amazing. We are at the beginning of December. Yeah, the black and white she has. Oh yeah. She has the territory. And the cream one, she's a neighbor. But we have to be kind, no? And to love each other. They have so many mouses around. They don't have to fight. It's very difficult to find people to come to install anything. All the people, it's like 2 years of pandemics, which they didn't do so much jobs. They want to
work so much now.
And
everyone has a fully booked schedule until even next year. So yeah, it's really difficult to find someone just to come to install a tube through the wall.
We are also enough of having people at work, and that's why after this heat system, when we'll be ready, we just want to chill and to make little details on our own.
Exactly,
ourselves.
Yeah.
So see you soon.
See you soon.
Love you.